3 Colombia, 1 Amachita. Hi guys, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. The defense was so porous. They were ball watching. The first goal, the defender, the fullback didn't clear the ball and the striker came from behind and scored the goal. Even the last goal, a midfielder just lost the ball and it resulted to a goal. Hi guys, the second goal, the defense were ball watching. The striker just turned in front of them and shoot. Hi guys, that was not a good game from Amachita. Guys, I wish Mbogazi was there, but unfortunately he was not there. But guys, we are not impressed.